What's up guys, Summer here and welcome to Summer's Auto Marketing Channel. So kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please hit the like and subscribe button para lagi kang updated sa lahat ng videos na ilalabas ko. So for today's video, ang ipepresent ko sa inyo ngayon ay ang BRV CVT 2022. SRP is 1,168,000. It is a 1.5 liter engine with single overhead camshaft, 4-cylinder and 16 valves. Horsepower is 120 horsepower at 6,600 RPM, then 145 Newton meter at 4,600 RPM. So as you can see, ang headlamps niya is projector headlamps with daytime running lamp, and then LED na rin yung fog lamps niya with chrome finish. And then as you can see, yung fashion niya is chrome finish na rin with Honda logo. And then sa ilalim naman ay meron siyang honeycomb grills. So, napakaganda guys. And then sa salamin niya naman, meron na siyang sign turn signals, which is a LED na rin siya. And then it has a two-tone alloy finish, which is a 16 rim. And then ang size naman ng gulong ay 195 by 60 rim, 16 alloy. And then naka-smart keyless entry na rin siya guys. So madetect niya lang yung sasakyan mo. And then just press the smart keyless entry, mag-o-open na siya. And then sa side niya naman is naka-chrome finish na rin siya guys. So let's take a look inside. So nandyan yung buttons for power adjust and power fold. And then nasa left yung kanyang smart start and push start and stop button guys. So traction control yan, pwede mong i-off. And then meron siyang buttons for the makina. So ayan yun. So as you can see, yung meter set niya is analog pa rin. And then sa steering wheel niya, it is a electric power steering. Then leather with thread stitching na rin siya. So ang inclusions dun sa steering wheel is mode, volume, and channel. Punta naman tayo sa kanyang touchscreen. It is a 7-inch touchscreen advanced display. Bluetooth, 2 USB input, hands-free, telephone, and audio streaming. It is a, meron na rin siyang Apple CarPlay and Android Auto guys. Then, ang air conditioning niya naman is automatic with independent controls. Then, as you can see naman sa shift knob is naka-red stitching din siya, with red stitching. And then sa seat niya naman is naka-leather with red trimmings. So, ayan, napakaganda guys. it has a 2 airbags, guys. So sa front driver and passenger lang siya, guys. Sa driver and front passenger. And then pag-usapan natin yung mga safety and security niya. It has a hill start assist, anti-lock braking system, reverse camera, seat belt with 3-point ELR. Naka ISOFIX na rin siya, child safety lock, auto door lock, and auto door unlock, plus immobilizer, guys. And then, ang bottle holders niya naman, it has a dalawa sa gitna, and then 4 sa door pocket. So sa side, sa second row, naka 60-40 naman yung hatian niya. So pwede mong i-slide, then dyan ka mag-o-open, guys. This is a 7-seater multi-passenger vehicle. And then nasa taas yung kanyang aircon vents. Kasi pag sa baba, yung second row lang yung maaabot. So good thing here is nasa taas. Ayan, guys, so may bottle holders din siya sa third row. So, nare-recline din yung third row niya actually. At saka yung sa second row. So, and then, naka one-touch, fold to tumble naman yung second row. Para pag mag-e-enter yung pang third, yung mga tao na pupunta sa third row is mabilis lang. So, punta naman tayo sa third. So, sa tail lamp niya, naka-LED guide position lighting na rin siya. And then, naka-LED high stop mount lamp na din siya. And then, it has a camera para pagka-aatras ka is hindi mabali yung leeg mo katitingin sa likod. So, you can see it on the screen na lang, guys. Ayan. So, ayan, kasya naman yung 2 large traveling bags. Pero kapag pinold mo yung third row, malaki, at least nasa 10 golf bags and then 6 large traveling bags na rin siya, guys. And then yung extra tire niya or extra tire nasa loob din siya, nasa trunk din siya. And then ayan, may skid plate siya sa likod. So available colors niya sa V is Premium Amber Metallic, New Passion Red, Platinum White Pearl plus 20,000, Lunar Silver, and Modern Steel Metallic. So, I hope you guys na may marami kayong natutunan sa video ko, and see you on my next episode, guys. So, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button, guys, para mas lagi kang updated sa mga new videos na i-upload ko. And maraming salamat sa panonood. See you on my next vlog. God peace sa inyo, guys. Bye-bye!